Hello everybody, this is Daniel from Screenly. Today we're going to be showing you how to use Screenly and funnel.io to show your marketing data on a digital sign. Specifically, we'll use Google Analytics, but funnel.io and with Screenly, you can get the data from literally hundreds of different SaaS platforms and marketing products and data tools onto your digital signs. So let's jump into it. So when you get inside Screenly and you land on the dashboard, the first thing that you'll need to do is set up your screen. With setting up your screen, the first thing to do, go to the Screens tab on the left-hand side, click Add Screen, and then there's two ways to set up a screen. One, you can do it with a physical digital signage player, which you can order from Screenly.io, or two, and really the easiest way, is to use our Screenly Anywhere screens, which allows you to use existing hardware or no hardware at all and display a screen that you can control on any existing device that you already have. So in this tutorial today, we'll use the Screenly Anywhere screen. So again, screens on the left-hand side, click Screenly Anywhere. You're going to want to go to anywhere.screenly.io, and this initiates the pairing process for a screen so that our software knows what screen it's communicating with. So we're going to put in this demo code here, this pairing code. So H32T, H32T, and then we're going to do ZTB6. Okay, ZTB6. We're going to call this test screen. Okay, and we're going to add it. Okay, and thinks about it for a second here. It's adding this screen that we set up, displaying on our browser, to our online dashboard interface. Okay, we got it added, and we can confirm that here with our list of screens. So the next thing that we have to do is add content. So the way that works in Screenly is you have content, you then assign content to a playlist, and then you assign the playlist to a screen. To get that content, we have to go inside funnel.io. So if you don't have an account, you can get a free trial account with Funnel. First of all, you need to connect your data sources. So, as mentioned before, there are a ton of different data sources. So literally hundreds of every marketing tool, affiliate tool, content tool, CRM tool. I mean, the list goes on and on. So one great way to get started is if you go to their dashboards and then you go to their template gallery. They have a lot of pre-built templates that you might find interesting for your different business use cases with very popular marketing and social channels. So the one we have set up right now is just a quick Google Analytics overview. And so it has interesting information here for planning our different campaigns. And what we want to do is we want to share that information on a digital sign. So once you're inside your dashboard that you want to share, click the right-hand link here, share, get the share link, and it will have here a link that will show this data publicly, and you can do that on your digital sign. So we're going to copy the link here, and then we're going to go back inside of Screenly and click New Content. Okay, we're going to click URL, and we're going to add that URL. Click Finish. Okay, it's adding the content item to our folder. Perfect. There you see the content here. It's displaying what we want to display, and we're going to save it. And we can call that content Funnel Google Analytics. Funnel.io. Google Analytics. Okay, we're going to save that. Okay, so the next thing to do here is we want to create a playlist, and we're going to call this Test Screen Marketing Info. Okay, we have to assign the screen here to the playlist. All right, and then we add the content. So here we go. Add the content, click Done, and then we're going to save it. Okay, so again, we have the content added. We have the playlist. We have the content assigned to the playlist. And what you'll see then shortly is that the content that we just scheduled to the screen displays on the screen. And you can actually see a preview of it right here within the Screenly dashboard. So that's it. As you can see, super simple to get your content running on a screen. With Screenly, you can do this for one screen or literally hundreds of screens at your business or organization. And this is just a quick tutorial to show you how you can go from nothing at all to a up and running screen in just a couple of minutes. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to sharing more with you in upcoming videos. Thank you.